when we decided to do the AC Primary Maths Assessment series, we were discussing whether we were doing 7 books, 2 books, 3 books, and we came to the thinking of 3 books would work really well. And then we wanted to have some really exciting branding. So the brief for Cliff, our art lead who designed these covers, was to have vibrancy and movement attached to maths, and that gave that kind of real world application of maths and made maths exciting. So this is what we have, and I just think they're gorgeous. There's that 3D element, and I really do sense the movement, and it's almost like it's coming off the page, not just with the color, but obviously the design. Yeah, what do you think about the covers, Claire? Now you've seen these almost final
Oh,
ones.
I love them. Like initially, I think I said to you, why is there like a break dancer, a rap dancer on a maths book? And now I get it. It's, yeah, as you say, real life movement. And yeah, I love it. Looks
Yeah.
great. The
And
colours are
quite
fantastic.
topical as well with the National Treasure ray gun. I think it's, I mean, we came up with the design beforehand, but I think it's just sort of in the public eye, breakdancing is at the moment, and it's such a unique art form, and I think it really ties in well with mathematics and that idea of, I guess, striving towards something, and the movement. It looks so good. I love the colours as well.
Yeah, this one here as well. The shape it just goes really well with the shape of the symbols in the background, right? So yeah,
I
do
love
like it.
the seriousness on this person's face here as well. Like for the older years, I
Focused,
think it sort of ties in well. Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. And we actually translated this design inside for section covers as well, didn't we?
Yes.
Have you got that,
We did
Abigail?
it for both. Let me just zoom out. We did it for both the achievement certificates. So these will be handed out as like reinforcement for students, which I think are just gorgeous. I love that the students can colour in as well. I think that's such a good idea. And then we also have the motivational quote section dividers. So each of them has a lovely quote to do with mathematics that's just inspiring, motivational, something to hopefully reinforce the idea of perseverance and resilience in mathematics.
And that's also for the teacher, isn't it? Because I do know, obviously we work with a lot of teachers and we talk with a lot of teachers, that unless a teacher is a maths teacher like yourself, Claire, like you've got a lot of experience in maths can also be intimidating for teachers to teach. So to just give them that little bit of, inspiration and motivation, and it's almost like this poster is for them. They can print it out, they can colour it in as a mindful colouring poster, pop it on, their wall, or they can give it to the students. What are your thoughts on that, Claire? I know it's one of the reasons why you do what you do is to support other teachers with maths.
Oh, 100%. And you're right. A lot of, out of all the subjects, I think maths is daunting for some teachers, particularly, say, the upper levels and things like fractions and decimals. This is just a little reminder that you also actually learn when you make mistakes. So if you make a mistake, that's actually how you can learn. So it's being positive, open-minded, which I think sums it up in that quote and in that picture. It's perfect.